So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get all benefits of Gemini AI. Like I have subscribed this Gemini AI for 1 month. It's giving me 1.5 Pro version, 1.5 Flash, which is just integrated with everyday help. And now if you need a great and deep answers, so you can use 1.5 Pro with deep research and 2.0 Flash experimental, and after the 2.0 experimental advanced. So all of these things, like I'm using it in this, you can't send a file over here, and in this experimental, this is a more experimental version, like it's giving you a more advanced research and all this time. Like I'm just saying him to conclude the formula of all data vision models. Now it will just giving us all types of formulas like we have to use in data vision models to conclude, like convolutional neural network, one is the most important and prioritized one. And after that, the boiling operation, this is the max important I, J and S. And after that you can see the activation function. All these functions are fully connected layer. These all functions, these all formulas are used one by one in you can know the gates, and all these things are in detailed version it gives us. Okay, so these are all benefits. And one more, the most important thing I want to tell you here, if you got these all things in just a one prompt, you will think and you will imagine, if you have a work or all the senior version of that, then how much you can get on one prompt. So now after that, I'm gonna show you one more advantage of that, like Google One. Okay, so this is my Gmail, and I'm gonna show you, like here you can see, this is the Google One storage. You will get 2 TB of storage over here. Okay, so these all things are just free. If you see, now I'm going to show you where you can see that these all things are free. So I'm showing my account, like this is my Google account. I'm just going in this to manage account. Okay, so after that you have to go to the payment and subscriptions, and scroll down, scroll down and go for subscriptions. And in this you can see, this is the subscription which I have just activated on January 5, and now I just have cancelled it. Here you can see this is cancelled. Okay, but still you can see here all the things, all the features are working before, because the resubscribe time is Feb 5 2025, and you can easily use 1 month free with all these things easily. And these are all the benefits. You might be needed in your project help, and you might be needed in your storage help. So these all things are so simple. Your SadaPay card over here, and boom, you will get all these things, all these benefits with this card. So thank you everyone, and and hopefully you liked this video. So that's all.